Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my oatmeal banana muffin. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious muffin, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. Alright, and I hope you guys please watch the video from the start into the end, and please watch my ads. Okay, I would really appreciate that. Okay, so this muffin, it's a healthy and delicious muffin, so I hope you guys definitely try it, and when you do, you can leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy this muffin. Okay, thanks for watching, and here is my ingredients. Enjoy guys. Hey guys, so today I'll be making some banana oatmeal muffin. So these are my ingredients. I have some vanilla essence, milk, egg, flour, oatmeal, banana, and here I have some baking powder, baking soda, salt and cinnamon powder, and here I have my sugar and my oil. So let's mix up everything. Let's mix up all of the liquid ingredients. So in a bowl here, I'm going to mix up my milk, my egg, my vanilla, my oil. I'm going to mix this up here. Make sure everything combined. So now I'm gonna mix in my sugar. I'm using white sugar, but you could use brown as well. You can mix it in till all of the sugar dissolves. So you're gonna step this liquid mixture aside, and we're gonna mash up our banana. So you're gonna use a potato masher, or you could use a fork, anything. The potato masher is much faster. If you don't have that, you can use your fork. So it's all mashed up here. So now guys, we're going to mix in our dry ingredient. So in a large bowl here, I'm going to mix in my flour, salt, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and baking soda. Just give this a mix. Then I'm gonna mix in my oatmeal. Mix everything together. So now you're gonna mix in all of your wet ingredient. Give it a stir. So now guys, I'm going to mix in the banana. Fold it in. Yes, no, I have a. So in a bowl, so I'm gonna move the bowl here. I'll be using this muffin pan today. So I'm gonna grease my pan with butter. You don't want your muffin to stick, you know. Or even if you have cupcake, I think you could use a cupcake thing as well. I think I should get, let me butter all of them. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna butter all. I'm not making that much. Okay, I finished buttering all of them. Let me get a spoon. So let's fill it up here now. You're not gonna put it straight to the top because you know it's gonna raise a little bit. So this I'm just using one of this spoon here for each of the well, I can end up thinking I thought I probably would just get like about 6 or 7, but it looks like I'm gonna get 12. You want to look like you got a little thing. I'm just gonna top it up a little bit. Spray the bowl. Make sure I get out all of it. Can't waste nothing right now. Stuff in Guyana is very expensive. Alright, so I'm just gonna knock this down and I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so the muffin finished baking. Let me just show you guys it here. So this is the muffin, guys. It's all done. So let's take it out and you guys see. Guys, this took only 18 minutes. I didn't leave it in for the whole half an hour. Because you can see it already was about to burn. Alright guys, so this is my muffin, my oatmeal banana muffin. I hope you guys try my recipe. I'll leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description box down below. And so this is, look here. Let me break one, let you guys see. You get a good one. So this is it here, guys. So let me break it, let you see. Let's see. It's all fluffy and nice. And when you guys try the recipe, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Alright, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Hey.